Hey everyone, this is Vikas Kumar and I'm again here with another video. In this video again I'll be sharing my views on a quote, and this is a really good one. This is from Mahatma Gandhi, and this quote says that be the change you wish to see in the world. So I think this is a really simple one, and as it says that be the change you want to see in the world, that means that change begins from yourself. Change begins from self. If I want to see a change in this world, or we can break it down to lower things. So instead of world, if I want to see a change in a person like my friend, then what I can do is that I can start changing myself. The change I want to see in himself, I can start that from me. And if I'll do that and I'll stay with him, and because of the effect of the environment, after some time he will also think like that I should also change, and he will not even think of this consciously. Subconsciously he will tend to do the same thing what I am doing. It is a really basic thing about our environment. Whenever whatever is happening, whatever is around us, we are influenced by it. And the person or the living beings around us, whatever they are doing, we tend to do the same thing. We tend to follow the majority, our surrounding people, whatever they are doing, by ourselves as well. So if I want any change, like if I take an example, like there is my friend, and if I want him to quit, or if I want him like to quit smoking, then what can I do is that if we are like a smoker, and today I thought that we both should quit smoking. So instead of start arguing with him or convincing him that you should quit smoking, what I can do, and this is the best thing, this is the thing what is I think Mahatma Gandhi is trying to say in this quote, is that be the change by yourself. So what I can do is that I can quit smoking by myself. First I have to realize that what are the advantages, what are the drawbacks of smoking. Then I can quit by myself, and whatever I will do, he will also get influenced by it, and he will also be tend to quit smoking. So it is a really simple thing that is in the quote, and this is the thing, that if I will quit, then he will also tend to quit. So this is really simple. This is what I think Mahatma Gandhi is saying in this quote. This is what I am interpreted. Thank you.